What's hot in the kitchen right now? Stainless steel cookware. What's not? Replacing scratched up pans every couple of years. If you've been wondering whether it's worth making the switch, let's talk about it. One of the biggest kitchen trends right now is investing in cookware that's built to last instead of buying inexpensive sets over and over again. That's exactly why I started looking at stainless steel. After chemo and radiation, I wanted to be more intentional about the products I use every day, especially in my kitchen. I didn't want to spend a fortune though, so I started comparing different pots and pan sets. And this T-fal Gourmet set really surprised me. There's some really cool features, so make sure to stay till the end to hear them all. What's hot? A complete cookware set that includes everything you need forever. You get an 8.5-inch fry pan, an 11-inch fry pan, a 12.5-inch covered fry pan, a 1-quart saucepan, a 2-quart saucepan, a 3.2-quart saucepan, lots of saucepans, a 5.7-quart Dutch oven, a 7-quart pot, and my favorite part, a steamer that fits in the smaller stock pot. Looks like this. That's one heck of a starter set. Another thing that's definitely hot is cookware that works on virtually any cooktop, including Induction. I also love the thoughtful details. The glass lids let you check your food without lifting the lid. The built-in measuring marks save time. The pouring's draining easier. And there's a strainer on both sides and a pour spout on both sides. These are even oven safe up to 500 degrees and dishwasher safe, so they totally fit into everyday life. Now let's talk about what's not hot. Buying cookware just because it's trendy without thinking about quality. Or assuming that if a stainless steel set costs less than the premium brands, it can't perform well. I've compared these to another set that's twice as much, and I think they hold their own surprisingly well. They have lots of great features. Sometimes people think that stainless steel means everything sticks to the pan. That's simply not true once you learn the basics. Pretty much all you have to remember is to preheat the pan, use the right temperature, and add a little oil or butter, and you'll be amazed by how well food cooks, especially eggs and grilled cheese, which are my favorite things to cook in these pans. So for me, what's hot? Durable stainless steel, even heating, a complete cookware collection, premium features without the premium price, cookware you'll enjoy using every day. This is a set that you're not going to constantly replace. You're not going to be paying double for a brand name. You're not going to be filling your cabinets with mismatched pots and pans. That's the worst. This set has completely changed how I feel about cooking. It gave me one beautiful cookware collection that handles almost everything I make while performing far above what I expected for the price. If I can make one thing in your life easier today, find cookware that you'll be excited to cook with every day. This T-fal set has been a fantastic upgrade for my kitchen, and I think it's absolutely worth checking out.